Hey guys, it's Tammy and I have some happy mail to show you. I've been ordering a few things from Etsy and I have some different things to unbox. So I thought that I would do it and show you guys. It's a cute bag. And a really cute box. Look at that. Oh, she gave me a little zippered pouch. That's cute. And then what do I have in here? I think these are all different stitch markers or earrings. I don't know. Wow. There's some earrings in here. I know I didn't order earrings. So she must have included these just for fun. Look how pretty those are. Those are really cute. And then, oh my gosh, look at these stitch markers. They're little monkeys with bananas. He has a little tail. Oh my gosh. So I think I got 5 of those. I had forgotten about that. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4, 5, and then she just included a pair of earrings, which is super sweet. The packaging is amazing. And the fact that she gave me a little bag to hold them is also adorable. So these are so cute. You can even see their little smile. Oh my gosh. Oh, some of them have different expressions on their faces. Yeah, so this one has a smile. And this one has a little different face. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So that's those. And then these I got for my daughter, and they are little elephants. Kitty loves elephants, so I thought that I would put these in her Christmas stocking. I know I'm planning early, but really, how cute is that? And then there's a little pair of earrings in these as well, and I think I'll just leave them in there so that she can have those too. But aren't they cute? And I will put them in this for her. And then these, so these are these little stitch markers that have the little beads on them, which I love these kind of stitch markers. Goodness, she also gave me earrings on those. How sweet. And then I got this little fox, and he's like a little progress keeper. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness, and I cannot remember the name of the store, but I will have it linked below, and I'll probably title this with whatever it is, just because she doesn't have it on here, and I don't know, but I will definitely tell you guys, because this is too cute. I am loving it. I'll put mine. I don't know, I'll probably give Katie this too, because she could probably use a little bag to keep her little things, and then she has to have the elephants. So there, I've already wrapped a present. How about that? Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.